Here's a quick video to help you navigate through IL Classroom during your EL Skills Block hour. That is this visual right here. I'm first going to show you how to navigate IL Classroom for the first 15 to 20 minute whole group section right here. So first you're going to be in IL Classroom, and what you can do over in the search is just search for the conversion chart. This is after we've determined whole group class microphases. So then click on Skills Block Assessment Conversion Chart, and you can always slow down or pause this video so you can navigate with me. After getting to the conversion chart, scroll down to find wherever your microphase for your class landed. This is kind of where we determined our whole group to be starting. So for example, if our class started in the early partial alphabetic, you are going to click on C12, that stands for Cycle 12. Scroll down to click on Grade K Module 3 Cycle 12 Planner. And scroll down to Lesson 61. Click. It shows you a warm-up for phonemic play. You can do that. That's also found within the lesson at the beginning, and you will click Lesson 61, Getting to Know the Letters. That is under the whole group lesson. And here are the slides you will find for your whole group class lesson. Next I will show you, so that's the first, what I just showed you is the first 15 to 20 minute whole group instruction. Next I'll show you how to get to your small group teacher table instruction, and that's found in similar locations. I'm going to go back to the very start in IL Classroom. Again, you'll click to find the conversion chart. It helps to bookmark this page right away at the start. Skills Block Assessment Conversion Chart. We determined that our whole class is starting right here, this early partial alphabetic, Cycle 12. Scroll down to click on the planner. Scroll down to click on Lesson 61. Scroll down again, and under differentiated small group recommendations, you will find your small group microphases. So this is not the whole class where we started them out. This is where we determined that the individual small groups are in terms of their microphase. So we're going to click in the Work with Teacher column that matches the microphase. For example, let's say your group, your small group, is in middle partial. You'll click Kindergarten Module 4 Cycle 24. Scroll down where you will find the days of the week where you can start. Let's say your group is meeting on Monday, and here is your small group teacher work that you will do with those small groups. So that is how we determined how to navigate to find the whole group instruction slides, and then how to find the small group teacher work.